All right, Malik Hatch.
This courtroom session has everything: tension, compassion, and legal chess at its finest. Multiple defendants, overlapping cases, and a judge trying to keep order while balancing fairness and law. From mental health court rejections to last-minute bond battles, every ruling here could change a life. Watch closely, because what starts as routine soon turns into a chain of dramatic turns you won't want to miss.
Hello. Hi.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So on this case, it's my understanding he didn't get accepted into mental health court. And what I can tell you about that is that your acceptance into mental health court, if the district attorney, they have like veto power. And so there's nothing that can be done to place you in the program. I do, based upon the letters that was presented to me and the letters that was presented to the state, I think you would have been great for the program. I think the program would have been great for you.
Your Honor, just if I may, I am in talks with Daryl Harris about the Veterans Treatment Court.
Okay.
And Daniel Gutierrez. And so Mr. Harris is starting a trial today, so he said he couldn't give me a final answer right now, but he wanted me to send him some information. So I did that, and I'm waiting for his evaluation.
All right. So have you spoken with Herman?
John?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But I haven't gotten a final answer yet.
Okay. Just give me 1 second.
So I'm so sorry.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 000841. Everyone, please whisper. State versus Michael Keating. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Daniel Mailer for Mr. Keating.
All right, and are you Michael Keating?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're here. One, there's a motion to revoke on file, but also the defense has filed a motion to set bond. Defense, are you prepared to proceed on the motion to revoke?
I am not. I've not received any discovery at this time, Your Honor. I have requested it from the state, but I haven't received anything.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on the motion to revoke, I need a contested hearing scheduled in 15 days. Please give me the date.
Give me 1 second.
All right, so, and if you can give a reset form to Mr. Keating. Now, the next issue is the motion to set bond. He is on deferred adjudication, so he is still entitled to a bond. Is there an agreement on the bond amount?
I don't believe there's an agreement, Your Honor, but the state would be asking for a $60,000 bond.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
I would request $10,000, Your Honor.
All right, defense, do you have any witnesses?
We have no witnesses. I would, for the limited purpose of this hearing, call Mr. Keating.
All right. Can you raise your right hand to the best of your ability? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Michael Keating.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Mr. Keating, where do you reside?
Greenville.
It's correct that you also have a second residence in Comal County, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And the court has previously ordered that you would be allowed to reside at both houses?
That's correct.
Okay. You work,
Probably, yes, sir.
but you're based here in San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
You have extensive connections to San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
Does this court have any concern whatsoever that you might not appear on the 20th as directed?
No, sir.
I have nothing further from Mr. Keating.
All right, so there was a question asked that I have allowed him to reside in any place other than Bexar County and Comal County. Is there some documentation of that?
I don't believe, just for clarification, I was only trying to establish that he has two houses and the court has previously allowed that he would be able to stay at either house. That's Comal County and Bexar County, nowhere else.
I mean, is there some document probation?
I believe it's in the court record, actually, Your Honor. That's where I read it on Odyssey.
I'm gonna need the file on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I allow Mr. Keating to reside in Bexar County and Comal County? Any questions, state?
Mr. Keating, do you ever travel outside the state for work?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get permission from the court prior to doing that?
I did obtain that, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. No further questions.
Judge,
Yes.
you gave him permission to travel within the United States and internationally for work purposes only, and have a secondary address.
Your Honor, if I may though, that secondary address on the order amending conditions was in Guadalupe County.
All right. And you're requesting 10,000, you're requesting 60,000? All right, Mr. Keating, has there been any mental health issues in the past with you?
No, ma'am.
That's a balanced call from the bench. 20,000 bond, GPS tracking, but with permission for work travel. It's the classic judicial middle ground, structure with a side of trust. Notice how the defense quickly confirms the work exception. They're protecting every inch of flexibility. Smart move. These little negotiations can make or break a defendant's daily life.
Have you ever been on any type of medications for mental health issues? Has there been any drug use in the past? All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set the bond at $20,000. The court is going to request partial GPS for employment only. Waive GPS fees. All right, is there anything else?
Just for clarification, so he'll GPS, but he's able to go to work.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, counsel, and if you'll let your client sign the reset form, is there anything else?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, the record is closed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I don't know why it's
Second.
still on the docket. You signed it.
Mantia, come down, please. Let me see what's in the.
He's incompetent, Judge. You're not gonna get him
All
out
right,
of him.
I'm trying to see what's in the
Okay.
Odyssey. Everybody have some patience. All right, Mr. Mantia, we're going to recall you back, and we're going to recall you back late January. And the reason being is because you have a scheduled appointment in the criminal magistrate's court. So we're going to call you back on January 19th.
Yeah, but ma'am, I have this paper. This is what I've been arrested for. And y'all got me for terroristic arrests. I've been booked for this. Two crimes. Lawyer never even came to see me.
Okay.
It's
All right,
here's
Mr.
the harassment of public servant,
Mhm.
and it says inmate death of property of conviction.
Oh, no, that's fine. All right, so Mr. Manita, let me explain something to you. So before anybody can proceed forward with my answering your questions about your cases, the first thing you'll have to see a doctor. And I'm going to see if they can expedite you before January 9th, but so far you're set for January 9th. And the reason why there's a gap in your setting is because we have a shortage of doctors who are available to interview, but I'll see if they can make it happen sooner rather than later. But we're going to bring you back here on January 19th. However, this is your attorney. And if everything is completed before then, your attorney will come in and we'll put you on the docket as soon as possible, okay? All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
What I'm seeing is why am I being, what is my case for?
Oh, so you're charged, just one moment. I'll be able to tell you, okay? Just give me a second. You're charged with harassment of a public servant.
And he's got a misdemeanor, Your
And
Honor.
you also have a case that is not in this court. So those are issues that have to be addressed after January 6th, okay?
Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
thank you.
I was here on another case. I didn't know this was still on. I
Okay.
thought it was off. You'll send me email notice, Odyssey will. Thank you.
On Tuesday, you recalled Roger Blanco for today. He's talking to Jonathan Alvarado about hiring him, but he has not paid Jonathan Alvarado.
So we are here.
Mr. Blanco was wondering if he could have more time.
No, because this is an old case.
I hear you.
All right, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
All right, Kevin Lawwill,
Got that part.
why were you late before it?
I have no excuse, Judge. I was nervous and I went to the wrong
Courthouse right
We're
now.
gonna be ready. What's this?
I mean, but you've been here before.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a motion to withdraw. And why? What's going on?
The only allegations are a new number 1 and a number 2 out of another county. And Lauren reached out to the other county to see if we could get anywhere on possibly trying to prove that up, and she was unsuccessful. Given that we've made an agreement to withdraw and alter and amend with some additional conditions.
And what are these conditions?
To have him submit to IOP, supportive outpatient treatment, and monthly UAs based on the TAP evaluation and sober support meetings. In addition to a no contact order with an individual named Raul Sanchez, who was the person he was with when he picked up the new case in Victoria County.
All right, let's go on the record. The court is calling 2021 CR 4317 State versus Kevin Ray Lawwill. Can I have parties announce?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Tilden Schaefer from Miss Palala. Good morning.
And are you Mr. Lawwill?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, you filed a motion to withdraw, and it's the court's understanding that there is an issue with allegations that are in the motion from out of county,
That's correct, Your Honor.
and that the contact persons from out of county have no plans to appear.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor. We've made attempts to reach out to them, but been unsuccessful.
And then, but to address those issues, and it's the court's understanding, the defense, you've agreed for the motion to be withdrawn, and in exchange for that withdrawal, you're requesting what?
We are requesting to alter and amend his conditions to include sober support meetings, monthly UAs, IOP, and a no contact order with an individual named Raul Sanchez.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Lawwell, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Kevin Lawwell.
All right, Mr. Lawwell, do you understand the new conditions that are being added to your probation?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and you intend to follow those conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
And so you're in agreement with IOP, the sober support meetings, monthly UAs, and no contact with Raul Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record.
Judge, just so it's clear, I did explain what IOP is, it's intensive outpatient, so
Yes.
he knows what that means.
All right, thank you. All right, so Mr. Lawwell, you are on probation, and it's regular probation?
It's a good question, Judge. I believe it is.
All
Yeah.
right,
Yes, yes, sir. No, you lost that.
is it?
No, it's deferred still. It's still deferred. Sorry, it is deferred.
So here's the thing, this is what you have to realize. You're on probation for deferred adjudication. What you're on probation for is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. Everything that you do, the people that you associate with, if those are people who are, for want of a better word, sort of shady, you shouldn't hang out with them because you'll pick up a motion to revoke. And you're looking at.
And with that, the judge closes yet another complex morning of justice, balancing rehabilitation with accountability. From denied mental health court entries to strict probation lectures, every ruling today showed how nuanced courtroom decisions really are. What stood out to you most, the fairness or the firmness? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Potentially 20 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Once you sign the conditions, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
May I be excused?
You too. All right, who's here on Cami Lumpkins? If you all could approach. And my understanding